Welcome to my little kitchen, where every dish begins with something simple. Right in front of me is a plate of fried rice with crispy pork cracklings and pickled mustard greens. Hot, fragrant, and perfectly crunchy. The aroma of fried shallots, sautéed pickles, and golden cracklings fills the whole kitchen. Now, let's take a look at how this delicious dish comes together. I start with a bowl of cold rice. Day-old rice is always the best choice for frying. The grains are drier, so they turn out fluffy, slightly crispy, and never sticky. I crack in 2 eggs. And a spoonful of fish sauce for that deep, savory flavor. Add a teaspoon of seasoning powder. Whether your fried rice turns out amazing or not mostly depends on this step. The egg needs to coat every single grain. So when it fries, each one becomes golden and lightly fragrant. I mix everything well, then press the rice gently down into the bowl. This helps it hold together a bit and absorb the seasonings evenly. And honestly, even at this stage, the rice already looks pretty tempting. Now I move on to the ingredients. For the green onions, I pick ones with small bulbs, cut them in half, then chop them finely. If the ones you buy have big white roots, don't throw them away. We'll mince those later with the shallots to add extra fragrance. Then I place the chopped green onions into a clean bowl. Next up, the carrots. I cut the carrot in half crosswise, then split each piece lengthwise into 2. After that, I slice them into thin, flat pieces. Cut them into fine strips. Carrots don't just make the dish look more appealing. They're also packed with vitamin A, great for your eyes and skin. And finally, dice them into small cubes. These tiny, bright orange cubes add both color and a slight crunch to the fried rice. That cheerful orange hue always brightens up the plate. It's like adding a little sunshine to your meal. Once I've finished cutting, I place them into the large bowl I prepared earlier. Next, I crush a few peeled shallots and chop them finely. That aroma of fried shallots always makes the kitchen feel warm and comforting. Then I transfer them into a small clean bowl I prepared earlier. And finally, the pickled mustard greens. I chop them into small pieces for easier frying. Their mild tanginess helps balance out the richness of the pork cracklings, making every bite of fried rice so much more flavorful and satisfying. Then I place them into a large, clean bowl as well. Next comes the main part of today's dish. We're going to start frying the rice. I place the pan on the stove and heat it until it's nice and hot. Then add some cooking oil, tilting the pan slightly so the oil spreads evenly across the bottom. When I see the oil start to shimmer, I add in the minced shallots I prepared earlier. The sizzling sound fills the air, and the aroma of fried shallots is just amazing. I stir gently until the shallots turn golden and slightly crisp. It's not just about adding aroma. This step also helps get rid of the stale smell from the cold rice and the eggy scent, while letting each grain soak up the fragrant oil evenly. Now I add the rice and start stirring it well. The trick here is to stir quickly over high heat. I'm using the spatula to gently press down and break up all the clumps of cold rice. The sound of the rice hitting the pan is so satisfying. Each grain loosens up, soaking in that rich, fragrant shallot aroma. And now for the wok toss. Lifting the pan and flipping the rice like this lets the grains separate completely, helping them dry out and get that perfect texture. I don't know if anyone else feels the same, but the moment I hear that sizzling sound of fried rice, I get hungry right away. The smell of fried shallots mixed with the rice, it's just impossible to resist. Once the rice starts to firm up, I drizzle in half a ladle of fish sauce and keep stirring. As the fish sauce hits the heat, it releases that signature savory aroma, filling the entire kitchen with a warm, delicious scent. Then I add the diced carrots and stir until they soften. Make sure to scoop up only the carrots on top and leave the green onions underneath. See, just a touch of that bright orange from the carrots is enough to make the whole pan of fried rice look so much more vibrant and appealing, isn't it? Next comes the pickled mustard greens. Add the pickled mustard greens and give everything a good stir. Their gentle tang helps balance out the flavors, making the dish both more appetizing and well-rounded in flavor. Once the pickles blend in with the rice, I add the crispy pork cracklings and stir quickly. The cracklings make tiny popping sounds in the pan, crispy, fragrant, and lightly rich, coating every golden grain of rice. You see, the pan is now this perfect mix of colors, aromas, and even sounds. Everything is coming together beautifully. You must keep stirring constantly, otherwise, the rice at the bottom will scorch and stick right to the pan. Oh, and I'm really curious. Where are you watching this video from? Leave a comment below and let me know. It's amazing how food like this can bring us together, no matter where we are in the world. Finally, I sprinkle in the chopped green onions. Stirring for a bit, so their freshness and bright green color pop against the golden rice. And just like that, our fried rice with crispy pork and pickled greens is done. Each grain is fluffy, slightly crisp, and infused with the aroma of egg and fried shallots, balanced perfectly with the richness of the cracklings and the gentle tang of the pickles. A simple yet irresistibly comforting flavor that makes every bite so satisfying. And that's it. Our fried rice with crispy pork cracklings and pickled greens is all done. Now let's plate it up and enjoy the delicious result of today's cooking. If you think this dish looks delicious, leave a comment below and tell me what you think. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support me in making more videos. It's just one small click, but it truly means the world to me. Thank you for cooking with me today. See you again in this little kitchen, where simple meals always bring simple joy.